Hello, my name is Mohammad Sohid Angolkar. I'm 28 years old. I stay in Goa. I was a fitness instructor normally. Then I thought of doing a diploma and acquiring more knowledge about fitness and nutrition. Then I came across in social media, which is IFSI Institute, which I felt like doing a diploma in it. Then I inquired and I got a person named Arif who helped me to know the details of this diploma, which I wanted to do. Then I came to Mumbai to IFSI Institute and I applied for the diploma in fitness and nutrition. And it was a total 8 to 10 months course, which was semi-online also. And after doing the semi-online classes of 8 months, I came here for 15 to 20 days to do the practicals and examination, which the faculty really helped me to acquire the knowledge and do the examination very well. And there were total 2 to 3 faculty members, which is Ajay sir, Ashfaq sir and Nikhil sir, which who helped me to understand it very well. And after completing the nutrition and fitness diploma from IFSI, I applied on the cruise line ship which I wanted to work abroad, and I got selected for European countries, and I'll be working there over soon. And I wanted to say, if anybody wants to do the diploma into fitness and nutrition, then IFSI is the best platform to gain your knowledge and do your diploma and know much about fitness and nutrition. Thank you.